In the fast-paced, digital world, time is your most valuable currency to manage. What if you could revolutionize your productivity? Meet Toggl, the transformative tool emerging from Estonia, now serving over 600,000 active users globally. This isn't just a time tracker. Toggl provides an entire ecosystem designed to streamline your workflow effectively. With Toggl Track, you can experience one-click time tracking across multiple devices and gain insightful reporting. Understanding how you spend your time becomes effortless, with Toggl Track transforming raw hours into meaningful insights. Navigating project management can be daunting, but Toggl Plan simplifies it with visual project timelines and resource allocation. Imagine revolutionizing recruitment. Toggl Hire helps you assess skills objectively and reduces hiring bias dramatically. While competitors exist, Toggl stands out with its bootstrapped growth, user-centric design, and commitment to transparency. Toggl's philosophy of trust, freedom, and respect sets it apart as a true productivity partner for your success. Embrace your productivity journey today by signing up for a free trial and unlocking your true potential with Toggl.